The F-21 error is displayed on the indoor unit of a mini-split air conditioner. I will explain in detail the causes of this error code and how to fix it. This error code indicates that the frost-removing thermistor in the outdoor unit is faulty. It could be short-circuited, have a loose connection in its connector, or the wire might be damaged somewhere. By checking this thermistor, the error code can be resolved. Now, let's discuss the connection between the frost-removing function and the outdoor unit. When you run your unit in heating mode during the winter, the outdoor unit gets cold while the indoor unit provides heat. To address the buildup of excessive frost in the system, Haier has designed this function. The thermistor is responsible for monitoring and controlling the frost buildup. However, when this thermistor becomes short-circuited or faulty, it results in the F-21 error. Let me show you where this thermistor is located in the outdoor unit. Here is the circuit board of the outdoor unit for this specific air conditioner model. You'll see the gray wire with a white connector, which is the frost removal thermistor. Now, let me show you where this thermistor is installed. The current situation of this thermistor is as follows. I'll remove it to demonstrate. It's a bit difficult to pull it out, but I'm trying my best to extract it. Finally, I've removed it. This is what the thermistor looks like. This thermistor is installed at the end of the heat exchanger, just before the expansion valve. Its function works in the following way. The indoor unit is heating while the outdoor unit is cooling, essentially operating in reverse cycle mode. As refrigerant flows from the indoor unit to the outdoor unit, it passes through the expansion valve, which cools the heat exchanger. Since the outdoor temperature is already cold, the refrigerant passing through this section becomes even colder. This causes frost to start forming on the heat exchanger. When excessive frost builds up on the heat exchanger, the thermistor comes into action. It monitors the temperature and reports to the circuit board if the temperature drops too much, reaching extreme negative degrees. At this point, the circuit board shuts off the compressor while allowing the outdoor fan to continue running. This helps to normalize the temperature and defrost the system. Once the temperature is back to normal, the thermistor communicates with the PCB again, signaling it to restart the compressor. The air conditioner then resumes its normal operation. Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next videos, and subscribe. Thank you.